sweating it. And it's like 9:30 in the morning. Disgusting. It's wetter than a tsunami out here. It's sweating it. And it's like 9:30 in the morning. Gross. So we're in Deniliquin in the town centre. It's a Saturday morning. It is steamy. But the Salvo's toy run is on. Jesus, it's very, very humid. My glasses are fogging up. So away from the hustle and bustle of the road, I'm in the Waring Gardens, which is in the centre of town. It is a phenomenal gardens. I absolutely adore coming here. I will be heading off shortly because I am absolutely saturated. But it was very nice to see an array of bikes out here. There is a lot of people still arriving, so it'll be interesting to see how many do turn out. In the meantime, check this out. Start packing up here and we'll go for a ride because standing still in this humidity is absolutely disgusting.